Over the last few weeks, we've talked a lot about what's happening in the NCAA: financial pressures, NIL spending, shrinking rosters, and leadership questions. And the traction has been tremendous on social media. But let me reset this. My real purpose isn't just to talk about what's wrong with college athletics, it's to talk about how it affects recruiting. Because that's what matters to families, especially Division II and Division III level athletes. Here's the reality: when Division I tightens budgets, the domino effect moves down. Smaller rosters at the top, more transfers in the portal, more competition for Division II and Division III spots. That uncertainty doesn't stay on social media. It lands on families. And you shouldn't have to deal with that uncertainty alone. You shouldn't have to guess where your child fits. You shouldn't have to react late because the landscape shifted. You shouldn't have to figure this out by trial and error. But recruiting right now requires structure. You don't know what you don't know, and that's okay. And reacting without a plan is risky, not because your child isn't good enough, but because the rules are changing underneath us. You don't need hype, you don't need promises, you need a process. And that's the difference between reacting and being in control. And if you're ready to stop guessing and build a real plan, I'll send you the details to the Athletic Recruiting Roadmap Guide, because you shouldn't have to deal with uncertainty. And after you grab the roadmap, you won't. Share this video with a parent or athlete who needs this direction. Clarity beats chaos all the time. Take care.